Hi everyone, welcome. درس 3 lesson 3 جمله 21 Let's go out. Let's go out. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? کجا داری میری؟ Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going out now. I'm going out now. همین الان دارم میرم بیرون. I'm going out now. Are you going out? Yeah, I'm going out now. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going out now. I'm hungry. I want to eat lunch. جمله 22. I'm hungry. Hungry. گشنمه. I'm hungry. I wanna. میخوام. I wanna eat lunch. I wanna eat lunch. Dinner. Breakfast. Breakfast. Lunch. Dinner. I want to eat lunch. I want to eat lunch. جمله 23. I don't eat food at home. I don't eat food at home. I want to go to the restaurant. I want to go to the restaurant. میخوام برم رستوران. I want to go to the restaurant. I want to go to the restaurant. Where do you want to go? کجا میخوای بری؟ Where do you want to go? I want to go to the restaurant. Go to the restaurant. Why do you want to go to the restaurant? Why? Why do you want to go to the restaurant? I go to the restaurant to eat something. تا برم چیزی بخورم. I go to the restaurant to eat something. I am really starving. Starving. گشنمه. Very hungry. When you are very hungry, you say I'm starving. Starving. I just go out, eat something. I'm hungry. I'm hungry and I go out and eat something. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I don't eat food at home because I'm not interested in cooking. I'm not interested in cooking. علاقه به آشپزی ندارم. I'm not interested in cooking. Are you interested in cooking? I'm not interested in cooking. I'm not interested in cooking. I prefer to go out. I'd rather go out. I'd rather. Would rather. Would rather. ترجیح میدم. I'd rather. I'd rather. I would rather. I would rather go out, eat something at the restaurant. Because I'm not interested. I don't have time to cook something. I just prefer. ترجیح میدم. I just prefer to go out and eat something because I am starving. I am starving. You got to repeat and repeat and repeat, right? Just make sentences every day, every minute, every second. Make as many as sentences as you can. هر چقدر جمله میتونین جمله بسازین. My family and I go to the restaurant. My family and I go to the restaurant. Where? We will go to the restaurant. ما خواهیم رفت. Where? کجا میرین؟ Where do you go? We go to the restaurant. We are going to the restaurant. داریم میریم. We are going to the restaurant to eat something. Are you going alone? I'm not going by myself. I'm not going by myself. تنها نمیرم. I'm not going by myself. I'm going with my family. I'm going with my family. My family and I. He and I. We go to the restaurant together. We go to the restaurant together. با هم میریم. We go to the restaurant together. We go to the restaurant together. Yes. جمله 25. I'm bored. حوصله‌ام سر رفته. I'm bored. I want to go out. I want to go out. میخوام برم بیرون. I want to go out. Where do you want to go? I want to go out because I am bored. I want to go out. میخوام برم بیرون. I want to go out because I am bored. I am bored. Are you bored? Yeah, I'm bored. I want to go out. I want to go out. Word by word, sentence by sentence, we are moving forward. میریم جلو بچه. We are moving forward to speak English. You know guys, speaking is really simple, but you gotta do it consistently. باید مکررن هر روز 2 ساعت تمرین کنی. You must practice every day 2 hours. Never ever lose heart. ناامید نمیشی. You never ever get disappointed. You gotta listen, repeat and relate it. Listen, repeat and relate it. Listen, repeat and relate it. گوش کن، تکرار کن و رپ بده. I'm bored. حوصله‌ام سر رفته. I want to go out. جمله 26. I work at the office. I love my job. If you want to go into depth of the sentences, اگه میخوای تو عمق جملات بری، حتما مجموعه superset رو جوین شو. Superset is something really really beyond 620. چیزی فراتر از مجموعه 620. I work at the office. I love my job. I work at the office. I love my job. I love my job. I work at the office. Where do you work? I work at the office. Do you work at the company? I work at the company. At the company. تو شرکت. I work at the company. At the company. Do you work at the factory? I don't work at the factory. When you say no, you can just move your head left and right. Do you work at the factory? No, 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 no. I don't work at the factory. I just work at the company. I work at the company. Do you work at the factory? No, I don't work at the factory. I just work at the company. I don't work at the factory. I work at the company. جمله 27. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. First, you wake up, you eat breakfast. 2 o'clock, I eat lunch. 8 o'clock, I eat dinner. Some people skip dinner. بعضی از شام میگذرن. Some people skip dinner. Maybe they're on a diet. They are on a diet. تو رژیمن. Are you on a diet? تو رژیمی. Are you on a diet? Yeah, I'm on a diet. I never eat dinner. I always skip dinner. من همیشه از شام میگذرم. I skip dinner. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Yeah, I gotta prepare breakfast. Prepare breakfast. Prepare breakfast. Prepare lunch. Prepare dinner. Make breakfast. Make lunch. Make dinner. سومن درست کردن. Make breakfast. Make lunch. Make dinner. Don't say make a breakfast. It's wrong. Don't say that. Make breakfast. Make lunch. Make dinner. I must go now. باید برم. Where are you going? I'm just going to the park. Why are you going to the park? Because I am bored. Are you bored? Yeah, I am bored. I was at home from the morning and I am bored. I am just going out to get relaxed, to chill out, to get fresh and to chill out. You are going out. Chill out. Relax شدم. جمله 29. Today I'm taking a taxi. Today I'm taking a taxi. Are you taking a taxi? Yeah, today I'm taking a taxi. Today I'm not driving, I'm taking a taxi. Take a taxi, take a cab, C-A-B. Grab a taxi, grab a car, grab a cab, or take a cab, take a cab. Yes. Where is the bus station? I want to take a bus. Taxi is expensive. I can't afford it. استطاعتشو ندارم. I can't afford to take a taxi. I have to take a bus. Bus is cheaper, more economical. ارزون‌تره. Bus is more economical, cheaper than taxi. I prefer to take a bus. It is cheaper. It is more economical. That's why I won't take a taxi. I'll take a bus. I want you to speak English like this, everyone. It's really simple. Everybody can do it. Everybody can do it. Yes. Just stay tuned. با ما همراه باشید. Keep in touch.